Welcome to the tutorial on data fitting in GRACE. In this tutorial, we will fit a given set of data points to a linear equation, add two datasets to a graph panel, add legends and format the legend properties. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux 16.04 OS, GRACE 5.1.25 and gedit 3.18.3. To follow this tutorial, learner must be familiar with the GRACE interface. For prerequisite tutorials, please visit this website. Data fitting is a process to find a mathematical relation between two variables. An equation is used to describe the xy dataset pair. Using an iterative process, the coefficients are optimized. The process returns the best possible coefficients for the equation. Go to desktop. Notice the file line-fit.txt. This file is provided to you in the code files link. I have downloaded, extracted and saved the file to the desktop directory. Next, open the GRACE program and load this file to plot an XY graph. Choose XY dataset and autoscale data. Next, I will format the plot. I have changed the symbols, line style, tick marks and axis labels. The data points do not lie on a straight line. The data points look scattered around a straight line. We will fit this data to a straight line. For a straight line, this process is called linear regression. A straight line is described by an equation in two variables. The equation has the form y equals mx plus c. Here, m is the slope of the line and c is the intercept. Go to Data and select Transformations. Notice the available options. Choose Regression from the list. A regression dialog box opens. Choose the data set of interest from Apply to Set. Currently, only a single set is loaded and it is shown as S0. The next number is the number of points that are present in the dataset. If many datasets are loaded, more sets will be seen in the Apply to Set box. Choose Linear for type of fit. In the Load drop-down, choose Fitted Values. For restrictions, choose None. If only part of the dataset needs to be fitted, enter the required range. We can also specify the start loaded and stop loaded values in the form. I will leave it as is and will not make changes here. Click on Accept to run the data fitting. The data fitting algorithm runs. A GRACE console window appears with mathematical details. We can see the equation used for the fitting. The output values of residual, slope, intercept, and other parameters are seen. The fitted line appears on the screen. The fitted values are loaded in a different set, S1. Click on File, Save to save the parameters. The GRACE Save Logs window opens. In Save to File text box, type the file name as line-regression.txt. Click on Apply and then click on Close to close the dialog box. Close the GRACE console by File Close or press the Escape key. Click on Close in the regression window. Double-click on the line in the graph. Gray's set appearance window opens. In the Select Set form, select S1 dataset. This is the fitted data. Right-click to open the context menu. Select Edit and in Spreadsheet option. The Gray's Spreadsheet Dataset Editor appears. Notice the X and the corresponding Y values of the fitted data. These values are different from the input data. This line fits the input data best with a linear equation. Close the Spreadsheet Dataset Editor. The original dataset and the fitted values are the two datasets in the graph. Datasets are labeled as S0 for first set and S1 for the second set. We can add more datasets to this graph panel. For this, load the data using the Data Import ASCII option from the menu. Next, we will add legends to the plot. Open the Set Appearance window and choose the dataset S0. Under Legend, in the string field, type data as the legend label. Click on Apply. Next, choose S1 dataset from the Select Set data form. Here, I will type fitted data for the legend and click on Apply. Close the Set Appearance window. For some users, the legend position may be outside the graph border. To reposition the legends, place the cursor in the legend box. Then, press Ctrl and L keys together. The cursor changes to a pointer. Left-click and drag the legend box to the desired position. Then, press Enter. Press the Escape key to exit the movement mode. Next, open the Graph Appearance window. In the window, click on the Legends tab to format the legend fonts. Under the text properties, move the character size slider to 70. The legends look very large compared to the graph. I will retain the font type as Times Roman. Click on Apply to apply the changes. Click on the Legend Box tab. We can also specify the position of the legend in the Location section. I will leave it as is. In the Frame Line section, for pattern, I will choose None. Click on Apply. This will remove the legend frame box. Then close the dialog box. Now I will save the project in the desktop directory. I will use the file name regression.agr. Press Ctrl Q or click on File Exit to exit Grace. Let's summarize. In this tutorial, we performed data fitting for a straight line, added two datasets in the graph panel, added legends to the plot, and formatted the legend properties. For assignment activity, please do the following. Two assignment files are provided in the code files link. Plot them in the same graph panel. Perform quadratic regression on parabola1.txt file. Load the fitted data in the graph. Add legend strings and reposition them inside the graph panel. Format the appearance of the three datasets to distinguish them. Your completed assignment may look similar to this. This video summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The spoken tutorial team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT, MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Rani from IIT Bombay. Thank you for joining.